Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your most trusted and globally recognized supplier to the metalworking industry. Today we would like to introduce you to one of our best sellers, the Lathe Basic 180 Super. We have the wide bed and stable support and a large spindle bore, a 200mm 3-jaw chuck and a 1000mm turning length, offering the user a wide range of capabilities. A great feature of this machine is the amount of time saved, as included in this machine is a quick change steel holder system. The standard position indicator ensures precision and provides an overview during machining. The powerful 2.4 kilowatt engine delivers lots of torque to the main spindle. Other accessories included with the machine include useful operating tools, coolant system and a work light. For more information about this precision bench lathe, please contact your KNUTH representative today and find out more.